I'm going to show you how to create and display an Instagram feed like this on your WordPress website and also feature your Instagram stories on your site as well. If that sounds good to you, let's get started. Okay, so here we are now on my WordPress website, and I've already got Instagram Feed Pro installed and activated ahead of time. This is a premium plugin, but if you want to try embedding an Instagram feed for free, you can definitely check out the Social Photo Feed plugin, which you can see on your screen right now. This is the free version of Instagram Feed Pro, right? But to display Instagram stories, we will need the premium version. So let's go back into my WordPress site. And because the plugin is already installed, on the left-hand side, we can go click on Instagram Feed. And here at the top, we can go click on Add New. For the first step of creating your feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With the plugin, you can display posts from any user timeline, posts from any public hashtag, or posts that you were tagged in. So for this demonstration, because we want to show our Instagram stories, we'll have to go with the user timeline option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. On this step, we can add a source for our feed. Click on Add Source. On this page, it's asking us what connection type we need. You can either go with the Business Basic or Business Advanced. For Business Basic, it will take you to Instagram and you can log in via your Instagram login. But with this one, you can use this one if you have a Facebook business page connected to your Instagram business account as well. This is the one I recommend because it gives you access to all the features, including displaying stories from your Instagram profile. Let's go with this one and click Connect. After that, it's asking us if we've connected Facebook with the plugin before. I'm going to click on No, and here we can click on the button that says Connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can see all the Facebook business pages, Instagram accounts, and business accounts connected to your Facebook page. You can go ahead and select the one you want to display inside your feed, and once that's done, we can click on Continue. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And now on this window, you can see your Instagram accounts that have been connected with Smashbullet. Select the one you want to display inside your feed, and we can click Add to include that as a source. Now you can see that available as an option for the source. We can select it and click Next. On this page, we can select a theme for the design of our Instagram feed. We have options like the default, moderate, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design for your Instagram feed. For this demonstration, let's continue with the modern theme. This one offers a design that looks just like Instagram itself. After selecting it, we can click on Next. For the final step of creating our Instagram feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of the feed. We have options like the default, simple grid, masonry cards, highlight, and more. For this video, I'm going to go with the highlight template, this one here, and once selected, we can click on Next. And here we go. We instantly have a live preview of our brand new Instagram feed right here inside the plugin. The account we connected is Green Grove Eatery, and all the posts from that account are displayed inside this feed. And because we chose the highlight template, it's highlighted the latest post in a larger thumbnail inside the feed here, with the rest of the post in a grid beside it. Our feed is now ready to be embedded on our WordPress webpage. And if you're wondering where our site visitors can see the stories on this feed, they'll appear right here on the profile picture, just like on Instagram itself. Okay, so this feed is now ready to be embedded on our WordPress webpage. But before we go ahead and do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your Instagram feed. Currently, as I've shown you before, we've selected the highlight layout. But alternatively, you can go with the grid layout, which displays your posts in rows and columns, the carousel, which lets you swipe through the posts inside your feed like this, in an interactive way, and lastly, the masonry, which displays your posts in a masonry grid. Let's continue with the highlight layout, and if we look below, you can customize the highlight settings here. Currently, beside type, you can see that it's set to pattern, which means that it will highlight your post in a pattern, starting with that first post here. Alternatively, you can open this up and choose the post ID one if you want to highlight a specific post ID manually. Third is the hashtag. You can choose to highlight posts containing a specific hashtag on your feed, allowing you to emphasize and put the right post on the spot. Let's continue with the pattern one, and scrolling down, you can modify the aspect ratio for the posts, which is currently set to 1:1, and you can go with Instagram Official 3:4 or Portrait 4:5 as well. Let's stick with the 1:1, and if we look below, we can also choose how many posts we want to display inside the feed initial. Currently on desktop, we're showing 8 posts, which you can see on the right-hand side. But you'll notice on the bottom right corner, we have 1 missing to complete the grid. So we're going to change that to 9 posts. Just modify it here. And our Instagram feed is updated to display 9 posts instead of 8. It's just as easy. So you can go ahead and enter the number of posts you want to display by default. Underneath that, you can also modify the number of columns inside the feed. Currently, you can see that we have 4 columns, but it's just as easy to modify that as well. Just go and open this up and select the number of columns you want to display. For example, if we go with 3, this is what our feed will look like, right? I'm pretty happy with that. So to proceed, we can click on Save. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your Instagram feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. Here by default, it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your Instagram feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme where you can select the exact colors you want for your feed, like so. For this demonstration, let's go with the light theme, this one here, and click on Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the content inside your Instagram feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Here you'll find options to control what posts appear inside your feed. At the top, we have Moderate Your Feed. Let's go click on that. And if we enable this, you can see some buttons appear on top of all the posts in your feed. There are two options to use this, and that's with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list selected, if you select posts inside your feed, those will be the only ones shown inside it, and the rest of the posts will be hidden by default. Alternatively, with the Block list, all your posts will be shown by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also enter post IDs manually to hide them from your feed as well. So with moderation mode, you can choose the exact post you want to display inside your feed. But for now, we're going to disable this. And if we go back into filters and moderation, you'll find additional filtering options here. Inside this box at the top, you can enter words here and your feed will only show posts containing those words or hashtags. In the second box, you can enter words here and your Instagram feed will block any posts containing those words. After that, you can also add a filter to only show specific types of posts, such as photos, feed videos, or reels. So if you're only looking to show Instagram reels, you can go ahead and deselect photos and feed videos, and our Instagram feed will update to only display reels from our profile. So I'm going to bring back photos and feed videos. And once again, if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. Okay, so now that I've shown you how to create, customize, and moderate your Instagram feed, let's go and embed it on our site and see what our Instagram stories look like within the feed. So click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a Page. Next, we can select the page we want to embed our feed to. Let's go with this one here, Instagram Posts, and click on Add. Now on our page, all we have to do is add a shortcode block, which is this one here, and paste that shortcode we copied earlier, and we're pretty much done. All we have to do is click Save, and now we can go check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are now on a live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new Instagram feed that we just created together. At the top of the feed, we have a header, which includes a profile picture, account name, number of posts, followers, and an Instagram bio. And what you've been waiting for is to see what the Instagram stories look like inside our feed. And you can find them right here. If we click on that, you can see all the stories that are currently available on the profile. And as you just saw, when one story finishes, it automatically goes to the next available story for that account, just like on Instagram itself. And now that we've finished looking at the stories, we can check out the posts inside the feed as well. You can see all the latest posts from the Green Grove Eatery Instagram account. If we open up a post, you can view that post inside this lightbox view with the caption on the right-hand side and buttons to share the post or to view it on Instagram itself. If I close this, at the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a button that says Load More. Once clicked, it will load additional Instagram posts directly on your WordPress website. And if you find a video post, you can open it up the same way and watch that Instagram video or reel directly on your site as well. And there you have it. That's how we can create an Instagram feed like this, embed it on our WordPress website, and display Instagram stories within this feed as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.